Stop buying spring rolls. Once you try this method, you will never go back. Today, I am showing you how to make super crispy spring rolls that stays crunchy for hours, plus my easy homemade wrapper and a special authentic filling that takes it to another level. Hi guys, welcome back. If you love small chops and crispy snack, you're going to love this. This recipe is simple, affordable, and perfect for parties, festive, or even business. Make sure you watch till the end because I will share the secret to keeping it crispy for hours. No soggy rolls at all. Here are the ingredients you will be needing for this super crunchy spring rolls, and we are going to unfold more later. So let's begin with the star of the show, my flavor packed filling. Heat oil, add onions, ginger and garlic, green bell pepper. Next is seasoning with seasoning cubes, some salt, curry, thyme, and a little soy sauce, and then you stir. Next is chicken. For spring rolls we are using chicken. You can also use beef as well, but chicken is common and gives it that unique taste. Here we have the shredded cabbage. Now go in with carrots and then some sweet corn. You can see that this filling is very special. After stirring, then you can go in with a little water so as to cook and make it tender. After cooking for a while, then we have this yummy looking spring rolls filling. Here is a tip: allow the filling to cool down before you start wrapping it into the wrapper. So this is why we started with the filling, so as to allow it cool down before our wrappers are ready. What makes this recipe special is the wrapper. No need to buy expensive sheets. In a bowl, add flour and some salt. So here, gradually add your water. Don't add a lot at a time. Add the water bit by bit. And here is also a tip: keep it soft and flexible so it won't break when rolling. Which means your dough shouldn't be too hard and it shouldn't be too soft as well. If you're wondering what kind of method is this is the dough method. This is not the other watery method that we know about, the common one that you mix in and make it watery and then you spread in the pan. No, this is the dough method, and trust me, this is easy. It is easy because most people find that pancake looking method difficult. So this dough method solves the problem. Endeavor to cut them equally. I also have a full recipe tutorial video on how to make spring rolls for sale. Check it out on my channel. The link will be in the description box below. Also, do you want to turn small chops into a business? My 50 different Nigerian small chops recipe cookbook gives you all the recipes you need to start from scratch, from spring rolls to samosa and more. Kindly check out the link in the description box below to download your copy now. For this next step, don't place more than 5 dough at a time, and then you oil the in between just like that. Spread some oil before layering another one. Are you loving the tips and recipes? You will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural hair growth solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. Check the description box below to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class. Let's level up together. Under low heat, gently place the dough into the non-sticky pan. When it starts showing bubbles like that, then you should know it is time to flip it over. Once it starts to rise like this, then you should know that it is time to bring it out of the pan. So look at that, that is all the doughs we have. Now allow it to cool down and then you start to bring it out one after the other. This method needs to be done gently. Next step is wrapping the spring rolls. First of all, place wrapper flat. Add filling. Then fold sides inward and roll tightly. Here is a tip. Make sure it is tight so it doesn't open while frying. So it is time to add the bond. Add some water into a little bit of flour and then you mix this together, and we are going to use it as our bond to glue the wrap together. If your dough has a strong tip just like that, then you can trim it out with a clean scissors. I added a slice of onion into the oil to give it that nice taste and aroma. And here is a tip. Don't overcrowd the pan and keep the heat on medium for that perfect crunch. Take a look at that. The spring roll is crispy on the outside, juicy and flavored inside. And the best part, they stay crunchy for hours. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes like this. Would you try this for your next party or even to sell? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget, you can also follow us in our display social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.